guess he's seeing that, yo, bro, I'm having this downfall. Nobody can go here USA to try to help to that market, and that market didn't work out. The regular whatever Misophil does is always right. But Misophil Ukoro Badruchi album is right. Misophil Uko Bifa Adolfo is right. Misophil Uko performs the but Misophil is right. Right now, Kwambo Misophil also track post is right. Right now, people still have me. You know, they don't qualify now. Don't no qualify as qualify. Actually, he's trying to play dating. Chikora chinararama chichipromising rinyanga timu dzanga vaargentina vabrazil kungwana timu kurano this last team vofrance rivari kunyanga so kungwana already prove nyana nari noromini yes we are the best kungwana ngori vas kwati dosi kunyanga shimoto mudrina chere noromini apere chere. Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy BK South Africa. You know what it is. We are back with another bang. Yo, it's a crazy week. It's another day. It's another video. You know what it is. So I do all this time because of I guess I don't know. I guess the tomorrow is all fun as those later. Oh God, and Nigeria tells only they feel like it's just that Nigeria they beef with South Africa. Since the Chidima issue, they have certain like they have certain beef with us. That's the way the know they have certain beef with us. I don't know about the and the thing that they will qualify. They won't qualify. If you can just check me, even if they are saying to deduct 3 points from us, those 3 points won't even go to the students. So okay, let's just check me. The 3 points will be deducted from us. Then we'll be left with our input 10. They just played. Our input there, I think there are 7 points. So there's no worries. So you see, I don't as soon as I was going to be lazy, so whenever the work types are as long as you never lose, I never go to Taka. Come on, never go to Taka Minutes, no qualify. Come on, I think you're tomorrow, whatever. Yeah, so cool. I'll detect you with a point then, but as long as I wasn't appointed in the house, come on, the qualifier is a qualifier. That's nothing, bro. Like, I don't know, those good tweets on that. You know, you I don't know, the most tweets. I already detected with the point. Then after we detected with the point of the also, you need the time. You don't qualify now. You don't know qualify as qualify. Actually, he's trying to play a dirty game. You know what happened to play a dirty game. If you can check, he's trying to play a dirty game, bro. Like, why they are starting to start a petition now, bro? Like, why? It's literally from now. The dirty game, you know, when you wait, and engasibhuyoita chinhu even though vazama ngandazoti kuti vakuzama hani kana vakuzama kuita mini hani hazvina kuzozviita chinhu. We are going to qualify, that's it. They won't qualify, that's it. We are going to qualify, they won't qualify, that's it. I don't know we are qualified, they won't qualify, that's it. I have to go general the big players or the quality never banana. Come on. Or a team of stars, right? Come on. The Tamara Qualtina Ravana, Rapid Rava, come on. Yes, the vacuum because Nadira Kuzbunanga, I seems like he's trying to play some politics that like you got the news like our as physicists officers never go some sweet. The politics that is trying to come with it, as physicists, those bones is trying to come with some politics. So okay, cool. Come with your politics. We will play football and we will win. Then we will qualify for the World Cup and you won't qualify. Literally. You're the one of students to Benin World One as well. You're the one as Zimbabwe, like literally Zimbabwe. Like how the fuck can in Nigeria got the one as Zimbabwe? You're for the stars and you stop. Like the stars near Havana school it over. Like it one as Zimbabwe like I want to know those before Ivana was. Now the one as Zimbabwe cause teams out there. I want to know teams as those most to TV. Those were true, come on. So na match usarao, so I guess match usarao rutobon zuru do kana do tambra ga match usarao rutobon zuru do tambra ga mara na match usarao ne do return come on. So rutobon zuru do tambra ga I guess na match na Nigeria I guess match usarao ya shungari yote do tambra ga South Africa come on. And it's not study to kutamba I don't know mara kutamba somewhere. So the ones who they determine what ḓi vhona zwo ri ḓo itea mini, and then yone ri ḓo vhona zwa uri i ḓo tambisa hani, well i ḓo vha na match yavhuḓi kana i nga si vhe na match yavhuḓi, ngori the way ine i khou try u ḓa nga dzi nḓila dzayo, i khou thoma u tamba nga dziṅwe, ho fana na zwi ite si zwi ite zwine khou zwi ita mona. Zwino i ita uri tshi ṱoḓa ngeno South Africa a ri nyagi u tou i dia, habeni thimu uri ni i vhese dzine a i nyagi uri ni i die ni dzi goal nnzhi, why not 2-1, or a ri tshi tou i paisi zwezwo tou i vhasa 3-0, come on. Hey bro, like, but South Africa is currently like one of the best because of last game did we considered, I think last game na yoro dia 2-0 ti. Yes, so dia 2-0, aro dia 2-1. Because of CBC and Gezana, yeah. They are literally, yeah. The upper brow ya bolo ka CBC and Gezana. So those are the result to it. Mara literally bolo ka so muslim the zone is not to protect. Mara is so baba ai. Bawo those numbers zwithu zwavho. I guess zwo khwine. I was not muthu ya kuto ujiwa. This that I guess so na muthu vivala. I guess come because of bona muthu vivala no uri abalusa ba hone. Mara tang do ba hone tshi tshifhinga nda tshona maybe do the tamba. Maybe tang do jena na. Mara I guess tang would the proof of control like literally ba blind the defender. Because of I saw someone saying yo why can the coach like choose between Grant Kagana and CB's like bro we don't arishimika zino zondinye na kutambisa ndinye yana wana zinadurana no awushimela the one who is performing ndiye najiwa ngomana because namacheka kuchara I prefer utama ngama hopa mara mahopa go perform since cha kumotamba cha chipinga evidence mahopa amo cha doba mtambo wa kuma kama fana wafana ngomana mara little time sometimes was amonya na perform anya kala na press just that I don't know takana mini just that atibunu ngari I guess dimana kunotamba as a striker I guess unyokutamba as a BM striker ngomana so I guess don't know I can perform on is good then la dora rikuta unasanda bobo bene ngomana mara I guess akutotamisa striker ato ngomana ato ba that powerful ngama tutotamba BM so I don't know the team mara to the bonus the team this number 2 but Ronaldo is still the best bro like he's still the best one. There's certain people who you will find them saying, yo, Ronaldo is still the best. He's still scoring consistently. Because some people say Ronaldo only scored at Saudi Arabia. He came right now at the Euros, he's still scoring. So what can we say? Actually, Ronaldo he's still the best and he's still consistently scoring. I guess he's now sitting on 739 goals. Yeah, 939 goals. Ukuyela wona usikala ukuyirichila 1000 goals ine yakhonya. Usikala utobe kuyiricha. I guess na reach 1000 sasa basi na ndoba kuricha 1000 goals. Ngoba so I guess those who touch Brazil. So those were all the team. I guess even Argentina just qualified for the World Cup. But so Argentina should but Argentina will last the group stages. It's gonna be out in the group stages. But yeah, I saw some guys saying, yo, Argentina is gonna bring it home again. I'm like, what? It's gonna bring it home again? What, bro? Like, Argentina is not winning the World Cup again. There's no way Argentina is gonna win the World Cup. No fucking way. I'm telling you, bro. Even if you are another time with me, so I won't. I just hopefully just that the usual Bafana win the World Cup. Yeah, even though it's impossible, but it's possible. Never the usual Bafana win the World Cup. As long as me, it mean I must we should Mashama to win a World Cup. The teams are going to South Africa's super winner. Tapana Fila, I am. Timothy Ritomo win a woman. And TP is a team to South Africa, woman. The South Africa, woman. And the chief coalition around promising. Come on. Coalition around promising. Come on. She's promising. She's Mandragoya teams on the Argentina. Coalition around promising. And younger teams on the Argentina or Brazil. Come on. Tim Crado. This last team war France. The work on your song. Already proven and not normally this were the best. One was to Luma's team was teams too. I listen to Team South Africa. yes nga ḓi soko ri dzhia nyana hanefhaḽa mara Nigeria zwa ḓo ḓi ṱavha uri ri na unfinished business nayo khona beef in South Africa and Nigeria is personal. It's no longer about football or what. This beef is more personal. Come on. So abanye thoma to gutso ya lesson nyana. So thoma aba to qualify cha vhili ri to ri tama na khosa tsa ri ba windows yo teaho. Ba to thiwa mona ri die ri to chillax. Ngori khoi wona ai ko relax zwo vhuḓi. Iko thomo iko kho wana wa too much. Ari khou nyanga team ne khou ambesa. Come on. Ngori na rina ri ambesi. Come on. Ri vha khou tamba bola. Why you could not stop to so you going to do Jester's point. Come on. After school, I was Jester's point. I don't know remain. Come on. I've been in the Jester's point roster around. That's no your quit. So straight. I don't know for me. No, Peter. The Jester's point. Come on. Point is to. Should you vendor what I mean? Nah. Ndi to pfa no neta ndi to net wa manga case ya kuto ngori like must ḓivhi zwo ri khou itea mini. Now he's facing like 5 cases like it's fraud. Cases za SABC vhuziya notice konga like it's still notice like TWT actually TWT is failing us. Reconnect that's cases are like his cases doperally ngumana we're feeling a little tired that's case that TWT like offer gabo for lawyer ya you that lawyer bro like it's massive but I don't know it because TWT ya kweta zwo Renata hey and also go to Moscow zwo pay ngasipele mina ndi ngasipele khothi ḓo soko nyago shuma to mudrina tshelede uri mini apele tshelede now bro like what tired bro like ungazidi uzuri ndi zwenda ndi khamba when it comes to case like SABC au ḓivhi uri believe mini so believe mini ni ngondi ifhio ngoya sevhio because nne ndi ḓo zuri muthu if akufisa mulandu a dovha ita muṅwe mulandu anga sive SABC ḽi kho like how come khona ndi zwine nṋe nda zwi ḓivha zwezwo uri muthu a fana mulandu a dovha ita muṅwe mulandu na even though a khou to accuse a dovha ita muṅwe mulandu anga sive jail because already kha iwe trial mara SABC khou bva so we don't know bro like zwi to nyamisa na case yone to nyamisa mini kuze ukubva zilink audio zomnyemope like to zwo like no currently still nyamisa ngomwana actually just that the justice system of South Africa is could fail too much so there's nothing to come back as ngomwana ngori zwine zwa zwi itea not so long ago we're seeing a case in transit issue here actually police literally you know what I'm saying so this is not kwamba mkhwanazi is now being investigated so like people vhane vha khou shumisa mulayo zwavhuḓi ndi vhone vhane vha khou nyanga u fariwa vhane vha khou shumisa mulayo zwimwe ndi vhone vhane vha khou nyanga u pfhi vha protectiwe vhane vha khou ḽa tshelede since case ya Ramaphosa yo ḽa tshelede ya dzi billions dza ne phalaphala scam na zwine a zwithu sinkiwa zwo dovha dza sinkwa no khongwana so for you know una zwithu zwine zwa khou itea zwine u ḓo zwi fhedzula bro like what the fuck is going on and it it's just that Mizophil una mafena is cult khongwana whatever Mizophil does is always right but Mizophil uko Robert Rich album is right Mizophil uko Bifa Adolf is right Mizophil uko do perform Mr. Badel Mizophil is right now kwambo Mizophil also track post is right now people still kwambo Mizophil also uko Thomas Nawe the Mizophil album people the album Mizophil is right Mizophil will chat Mizophil for the word to Mizophil is right so I guess in this cult is not knows the way as amafena Missouri whatever Mizophil ukuchita whether it's right or wrong but those are kwamba naye uri right so unazwine like this one is actually even though nabla ba kumwayana ne Angazotora kuzvidyira ntango mukomana muratu mwana. So wale vana vadzopedzisa volaavo solve. I guess ndotoona na ntu wakwamba na kwenu na fees yakwamba kuma mafungo carpet. I guess bo fees at least ndi vhathu vene mini vozvionesa kare kuti zvikuite ngomwana. Vozvibona uri auchikare uri mini na ngari midzo udopedzera rubisa na vhathu ari the very cause kuti details zvashu ngomwana. Ba ditira 25 ngomwana. 25 plus ngomwana va kha zwavo. Ada vana medhouse yone isina studio mara studio chimwe chine ko recorder always medhouse entertainment mara isina studio. So last year vakushumisa vo crosswave I guess zvinopedza vashumisa ati zviri kuita mikavo tamwe vatoti vakati career but I hopefully tamwe vatoti vakati career mara ngandire ndokona tamwe career ndo yapera ngomwana mara todziwa zviri kuita mara ndisina rarikosesa uromeni ngaike uzokuita ngomwana that side is do kabo kuita mara ngandire narakuzvibona ngani like bro zviko so zvawe I just ngomwana una it is that because was beefne una mtiana do vocal too much na mtiana do asi vocal too much and then mizo problem ukudiwa mimi una mafela na the time adomemelela whether akuzvina do hamba chimwe china do hamba chidozwe so I don't know what they tell me ngomwana amara ndizvinozoite mara totona zvotoite mimi ngomwana ndivona zvotoite mara at least time do right. Mana ngandire ndikubona ngaya I guess it's more personal this beef ngokwana. Yes that ndizvo zvine ndikale into piece yacho zita mine acho zvibotla ino this guy itobana beef nane ngomwana ndikale piece yacho zvibotla ino just that ndiyo ndizvina kuti muzviamba ngokwana and zvivonga ungare ndiyene navana beef na mizo alittle asiyene navana beef na mizo wene ne avakotuma zvitu I still utozvidiva zori mini vhathu vadomimelela wadzozori na vamwe ngake vana vadomimelela ngokwana uzozi like wadzozori every time udorachimba udorechitia chitu udovana vathu vana dova kudia zintu excuse me if you la track yaka do the show asiri ndine movie na tingo disapota venina nibononga zimbabina kutombuza nobinga uvalini ngomwana utozozori vafena wadzite zvitu and utazokwazi zori unafeel busy kurana mara zozvo zvitoka great ne adore tofana umusuwa la pezvo is supposed to show him like fired him like way because of hey wait as much tomorrow zvani haye utamusuwa zvatopfana kuma asi mu fucked up na drain I'm fucked up na drain. I'm still fucked up na drain. No. I will be fucked up na drain. Mishimo ngani nasbuzi tuzine ejaba stop ora. But I guess success at rate ndio ni advice amizo feel. Come ndio ni yanga advice amizo. But I'm with the two cars. You still don't have a car. So that's I say I ndio ni advice mumbai. I thought this guy was gonna fall, but literally didn't fall. Like what one success plan, still making it at the wood, come on, making it, come on, share, come on, sweet. So last time we were the one who loved the time, come on, this was the time. So the one. What else? What else has been good? Spisa is crazy. Spisa, what the conflict? He couldn't say shit. Right now, because of the nigga is no longer there, he's now saying, yo, I could fight you. Like, that's a bitch shit, you know. Like, it's like, finger all the long, why didn't you fight him? It's like, nah, I didn't remember. Like, bro, he was there, why didn't you fight him? Fuck it. What's that with the note? Like, sometimes say, I want to have no more reply. Come on, why didn't you reply him? Why you were trying to reply him like now? Like, why you didn't reply him back then? Like, Nishing about whom reply like this, never like this thing as much as you know. Often I say, which one is your item? You were supposed to reply because of he was there. If you and him you were trying to fight, you could fight there. Like, but the message now run out there. So rather than running kuamba no yo bro, I could like fight in this nigga like bro, I could like bro, it's over. We're done with that shit. Already there's past a week. Come on, so fair. Come on. Is that starting? One day I have other so permanent twist up. No, don't put so permanent meeting. Come on. What the fuck? But let's continue. Come on, man. What the so moody and Andrea is come on. So I don't know so the and because man, I listen to the boy. So other thing, I guess necessity is having a tour. I guess it's starting at Cape Town. So I don't know, but I guess it's having a downfall, bro. Like necessity is having a downfall because of you can check me. He's trying to tease us himself. If you can check me, he's releasing like today. I guess no, yesterday he released the second and mastered song. I guess he's trying to like tease us something. I guess he's seeing that yo, bro, I'm having this downfall. I no buys and go USA to try to help to that market, and that market didn't work out. The record label shut me down. So literally when I come back, even my hardcore fans that I have abandoned here in Africa, they come on. So I guess now, I guess he's seeing that yo, bro, like I did a mistake by trying to go that side. Come on, Aries didn't do that thing, but he's still working here this side. Come on, so I guess well, I guess the item mistake that I guess my boss was on that side. So there was children, so and the on the other side, nothing happened. Come on. Woman, there's nothing that happened this side. Oh, that side. Woman, growth. I guess now also more expanded growth. We were more bigger in UK rather than in the US because of I guess most of people that side like this type of style South and the in there yeah like is what that is and common rather than the so I don't know. So I don't think you and we're still talking about tour. I guess the Travis Scott just confirmed that this circus maximum tour is gonna come here in South Africa. I guess in October. I guess if I'm this side, I guess I'll go. Yo, bro, I just wanna say feed, yo, bro. Like it's gonna be fine. I guess that one if Yagata, Arkuya, man. I like Yagata, you thought they're very rapid South Africa. We are gonna go with it. I like it. Roto ya weekend roto yenge renga maharu rote right ever. It's and another thing, top is out, NBA Young Boy is out of jail. I guess it's not like literally out of jail because of I was seeing these things because of I think they're saying is in the 30 days schedule. I guess he will be with his family. I guess maybe he will be some I guess it's not like he's home like they like because of I think he's no longer living at Three Diggers Mountain. I don't know, but it's not like it's at the home. I guess but it's with his loved ones. So I don't know what's happening but I guess they're still putting in some programs, some type of shit going on. So literally we're doing those type of thing there. So I don't know what will be happening. But yes, it's out of jail. Literally like at the federal jail, like where they were keeping him is out. Most of I think it's out like I think on the 22nd or the 21st he was out. So we don't know. So I guess when the if this is out finished, I guess they will be paying us some trouble because of I saw like the live stream yesterday of DJ Academics. He was saying he's gonna have some biggest tour. So I guess I don't know where the tour is gonna start and end where. Will it come to South Africa? I don't know if the federal will allow him to leave the country there. That's it. But I guess if he's work, I guess they will allow him. But I guess he's gonna be because of since when last did the young boy perform? I guess like 6, 7 years ago. Since I guess he was fighting that murder case, so it's gonna be fire, bro. Like it's gonna be fire, bro. Like I guess he will be doing stadiums. Will they fill up stadiums? I guess it will be stadiums. There won't be arenas. It will be stadiums, bro. So I guess I will be doing it. We'll see what will happen to him. So I don't know, bro. So we'll just see what will happen. So other thing, the type is dropping on Friday. What else is dropping on Friday? Makazi is dropping. Regional Plus is dropping. What else is dropping? Prefix is dropping. What else is dropping? Who else is dropping? Who else is dropping? I guess Rick also is dropping that day. I don't know. Bro, that album of Reggae, yo, bro, it's gonna be fire, bro. Check on the Apple Music. It's the thing on number one before dropping, bro. Only on pre-save. How many niggas have pre-saved that album? That album should be making way, man. That album is gonna be album of the most. I guess the most streamed album. Hey, I'm not sure about, but maybe I can. But we'll see about that. But you know what? This is your boy because in Africa. Boom, I'm out here. What time is it?